Hello friends, today we will introduce you with the best crash course for UPSC Prelims exam. As you know, Prelims examination is the first step toward the journey for your prestigious career in civil services. For fulfilling your this desire, Tutor Science is gonna to offer you best crash course for UPSC Prelims. The whole course is designed by the best faculties in India. The aim of this program is to prepare students for civil services based on the foundation course. The duration of this course will be more than 50 hours. So all the important lessons will be covered here. The program will be fully online with the lifetime access. If you stuck to understand different concepts, for that reason Tutor Science will give you separate doubt solving classes. For your good preparation, this course will enhance you with some great assignments. For more details, you can contact on this number or check tutorscience.com.